Do you own a Chevy or GMC truck that's got this type of headlight configuration, and when you turn on your low beams you only got one light on one side? I've seen them in traffic. Mine has that had the same problem. The culprit of this thing is this burnt up connector on your low beam. I don't know why, but I see a lot of trucks in traffic with one headlight. It's not always the bulb. That's a burnt connector. So there's a kit out there. Google directed me to a universal kit. It's for the H11 bulb. That's the low beam, and it does fit. It's universal. But I want to tell you something about that. When you put that that bulb in that socket, there's a little tab that you must lift. You must lift that tab, and you must push against this heel, against something very firm. I used my bumper because the wire is long enough. When you take this out the package, it's got a longer wire. But you have to push against that, lift that tab, and then it will finally shove in, and then you got to push the tab down to lock it. You'll think that, man, it doesn't fit. It won't work. But it will. I've already lit this one up. I took it out to make a little video. And I might buy another kit or two because I don't think this problem's over until I get rid of the original connectors. So thanks for watching, checking out my channel. I hope it helps you.